Hey everyone, thank you for joining me. So today's Friday sketch video, we're going to be using this sketch right here, which seems pretty simple and it shouldn't be difficult at all, but alas, we have some technical difficulties. We're going to go ahead and get started, still using the I'd Rather Be Crafting collection, and I've got everything pre-cut. For my base paper, I cut that at 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. And well, I should say 4 1/8, 5 3/8 for the craft matte paper, and then the pattern paper is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And we're going to go ahead and attach that. And I'm going to get pretty much everything ready to go for this, so that way I can just attach it to the card base. And then the last little bit, which will be our little diamond square shapes, we're going to attach that while it's already on the card. So for the glitter paper, because I always like doing little accents with the glitter paper, I cut that to be the length of the mat. So it's 5 1/8 inch long. And I want to say on the sketch it said 1 3/4 for the width. And then I'm grabbing some more of the peel-offs to just add a little something right along the line. If you don't have peel-offs, you can cut your glitter paper, foil paper, anything that you want to use as an accent. And you can cut it thin enough that it could be like one of these strips. You would just cut 1/8 of an inch, and you could put that on each side of your strip of paper if you want. All right, I'm just going to pick that up because of course it fell down, and put it down on our paper. And then once I have that done, I'm going to flip it over and go ahead and tape it up. And then we're going to use some of the art glitter glue and get this put down. Now you can see I didn't crease my cardstock. I left it flat. I did score it a bunch of times. And now we're going to put down, oh, look, ooh, I almost did it wrong. Did you see it? I almost laid it down wrong. Just that quick. I was like, oh, thank God. But once you get it lined up, you can lay it down. If you get it a little crooked, which I did, just peel it back up. Just be gentle, and then you can adjust it. And then I'm just going to fold it over and fold my crease. And I do it both sides. And then I do it again, because I like to make sure that it's going to close correctly. All right, so on the sketch itself, it does not include mats for the square pieces, but I did it anyway because I just wanted to give it a little bit of something. And to me, if you just do the regular flat squares, it's fine. But if you want to take it up a level, just put a mat on it. So whatever the size is, add 1/8 of an inch for your mat piece and you'll be good. Now, this one I had a little bit of a hiccup because the direction of your pattern paper matters. So when I had it going like a regular square, my typewriters on the pattern paper were perfect. But as soon as I tilted on the angle, then it looked crazy. So I had to try and figure out how I was going to get this 2-inch triangle or diamond shape, like the square, to turn and have my typewriters face in the right direction. And in doing so, I cut it a little wonky, so my square isn't a full square. And well, let me just say, this particular card gave me the fits and gave me the issues. But we're just going to keep going, because at the end of the day, that's part of crafting. All right, so let's see where this goes, okay? So once I attach the pieces to the mats, I put some tape and ATG tape and wet glue. And then I'm going to line up this first one. And this first one is my problem. Because I didn't put it back in the right spot, and I definitely didn't make sure it was a straight up and down diamond. Do you see the other side? More diamond. The other side, more like a crooked square. So then when I put my square diamond in the center, you're going to notice the one is not as it should be. And there was nothing I could do about it. Because in the amount of time it took for me to finish this, notice it, oh, that thing was glued down. Okay, there was no more pulling it back up. And at that point, you just go, it's okay. It's a handmade card. A machine didn't make this card. This is what makes it special and makes it mine. Oh, it's killing me. Oh. Yep, nope, not coming up. Nope, okay. We're just going to keep going. We're going to grab a little thin strip and go ahead and put that piece right underneath the sentiment. Trim down the foam tape and attach it on top of the glitter paper. Save that little piece. You never know when you may need it. So it's going to go right there. And I thought this one was super cute because it was typewriters. And then on the back side, it had the letters, the circles, you know, where it's almost like a typewriter. And so I was like, oh, that would be so cute. Sending you a hug. I thought the sentiment was cute. The crooked diamond is not cute, but I think this one is more forgiving because it's all in the same pattern. So I love how that turned out. And then this one, if I could have just tweaked it just a little bit. Oh my God. Okay. We're not going to stress it. That's it. They're done. Yay. 2 cards. I'm just going to cover that with my hand. Thank you guys for joining me. Don't look at it. All right. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and share button. And comment down below. I mean, I know you guys have had struggles, right? We're all keeping it transparent, and we're all going to be on the same team that sometimes stuff just happens while you're crafting, okay? So if you're a part of that team, go ahead and click the subscribe button and hit the little bell so that way you get notified whenever I upload new content. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you have a great weekend.